Assalamualaikum to Madam Farhana. We are from Group C JBA1115C, want to present and explain about effect of the COVID-19 issue on the manufacturing in Malaysia. Hi, I'm Nofarisha Najiha binti Ibrahim.
Introduction.
Background of COVID-19. Coronavirus, which is the popular name, is COVID-19. This virus came from Wuhan, China. It happened in December 2019 and attacked Malaysia in January 2020 because of 2 cases from import. It's more serious after cluster tablet, which are more than 100 people positive COVID-19. This pandemic can affect to manufacturing in Malaysia. Background of manufacturing in Malaysia. Manufacturing is one of the major economic contributor to the economy Malaysia. In 2018, manufacturing increased 8%, which is get 264.5 billion. The main product in 2018 increased record are electronic product, petroleum, and liquid natural gas. But in 2019, Malaysia record declining to 47.9%. The main decline is export weak from demand China and Japan. In 2020, manufacturing sector expect to grow 4.1%. Okay, next move to Arisa.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Arisa bin Jafaridin and I will talk about the effect of COVID-19 to manufacturing.
Effects.
Okay, for the first effect is the specialty chemical manufacturing industry. Pandemic resulted in 2.4% and 1.3% decrease in global chemical production. Farming has decreased almost any group of chemical. However, specialty chemical manufacturing has decreased by 9.4%, forced leading global chemical manufacturer to slash capital and operating costs to raise production capacity to between 40% and 60%. Second effect are personal care and cosmetic manufacturing industry. Sales decreased to the closure to offline store at many points around the world. In global personal, service and cosmetic, supply chain was severely impacted by personal care as well as the cosmetic industry. Thank you very much.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraish Afika binti Muhammad Saleh. Pharma manufacturing industry. The disruptive impact of the COVID-19 placed tremendous pressure on the global supply of medical products, causing the scarcity issue. The USA and other major manufacturing nations of pharmaceutical and medical devices depend heavily on material from China, which was the origin of the virus, directly and indirectly. They now face major risk in supply shortage with reduced operating capacity in China. Second is food and beverage manufacture. Current scenarios include drastically decreased consumption and supply chain challenges for food and beverage manufacturers. There is a rise in shortage in the supermarket shelf and rampant stock purchases, apart naturally from the supply chain derailment, have played an important role. The availability of raw materials and ingredients at the plants was severely impacted, causing productivity to be disrupted and forcing producers to shelve operations. The availability of workers was another big headache during the time of social distances. A research by the French Trade Association shows that the food and beverage firms have experienced a 22% decline in global turnover.
Measure. 2. Overcome.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nashawa Hazrina binti Muhammad Nasir. Now I'm going to present the measures to overcome the effects of COVID-19 to manufacturing. Firstly, manufacturers can consider to do alternative methods to introduce their brands, such as online advertisement and doing good deeds. For example, give away their products to the family in need so that people will remember their product in a good way. Secondly, is to estimate the demand to the best ability. Manufacturers can do a plan weekly, monthly, or quarterly. By doing this, they can estimate the sales growth better. Thirdly, is to reduce the trade spend. Nowadays, the supply chain is not enough for a long-term period. Therefore, manufacturers are recommended to eliminate or reduce any promotional activities so that inventory flow will be stable.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Syaza Shazlin binti Cik Jamri. The last point for measure to overcome is increasing return on investment. Firstly, increasing sales in the right way. Secondly, marketing strategies can be updated by the organization. Last but not least, reduce the cost by changing the design or packaging materials. That's all. Thank you.
Conclusion.
All in all, the problem faced by manufacturing industry due to COVID-19 will not go away overnight. It does affect manufacturing industries such as pharma manufacturing, F&B manufacturing, specialty chemicals manufacturing, also personal care and cosmetic manufacturing. And there's a few ways to overcome the challenges. Firstly, consider alternative method to establish the brand. Next, estimate the demand to the best ability. Other than that, reduce the trade spend. Lastly, increase return on investment. In the future, we will see years of innovation happening. That's all for conclusion. Thank you.